Hello there. So let me show you the Strelevo application. Okay, so this is okay. So you can see this is our initial dashboard. Here we will have all the analytics all the statistics like how many invoices needs review, how many invoices to match, how many transactions are there to match, and you can see I currently had integrated Pennylane over here using my credentials, and if I go to transaction screens, I will see all the transactions that I have from Pennylane. Okay, so these are synced as soon as I enter my credentials. And in invoices, currently you can see there is no invoices or no batch uploaded, so I can just select any of the invoice and can upload it. So maybe let's select some small one. Okay, so this seems small, but yeah, it has a lot of pages. Okay, let's use any of the one. Okay, but yeah, let me show you that like how exactly was the invoice so we know. Okay, so you can see this is pretty messy, like we have that kind of yeah. So let's upload it over here. So the invoice will be uploaded, like it will be in batch currently and it is being processed. Once this one is completed, all the invoices that were in that particular PDF will come over here in the invoices list. Also, when I am uploading, I can either choose from gallery like any of the images, or I can even take photo of the invoice. Okay, and even I can select multiple files if I want, so I can select like this. Okay, so everything is possible over here, like whatever I want to do. So let's say if I do, okay, it's the same invoice multiple times. It's also same, so let's not upload it. Maybe yeah, this is something different. We can use this one, and maybe can select multiple files for that. Okay, so one of this and one Ducati. Let's see. So you can see I had selected two files and they are being uploaded. So this is another batch. So currently we have two batches being processed. So once that is done, they will come up in the invoices screen. Okay, also I can just go on the transaction screens and I can perform certain operations, like I can link invoices, but currently as we don't have any invoices, I can't actually link. I can upload an invoice similarly, and then I can just yeah, open the chat and those things are here. Mark no invoice needed, so I can even do that one. So now you can see like I don't need an invoice for this particular transaction. That's how I set that. Okay, so status just appeared over here. Now let's see on the invoices screen if it is being processed or not. Okay, so it's still being processed. Other than that, we have our edit profile. We have language and region where we can change the languages. Like I have Spanish, I can just save it, and language updated successfully, so like that. Then I have yeah, light mode and dark mode for this, like this. Okay, then yeah, those were some of the things. We are currently working on chat history, so it will just have all the chats. Okay, uh, even I can just filter by name. Okay, even by statuses, by date. Okay, you can see the invoices that came, like one of the batch must have. Yeah, you can see this batch has completed processing, so it had 6 invoices and all of them are processed here. Okay, now if I open one of the invoice, you can see I can even go to proof and it will show me what was the invoice actually. So you, if you remember, like it was a PDF with bunch of invoices, so it just extracted that particular PDF and created one PDF file for that particular thing. Okay, so it's just for this particular invoice. Okay, so you can match the amount is same, the date and everything. Okay, now I can just go over here. I can just currently you can see there's no transactions that are linked to this particular invoices, because I think date and value must not be matched. Okay, so if I want, I can manually link. Okay, so I linked it like this one, like this. Okay, so two transactions are linked. So you can see here that 62 is applied and remaining is 588. So I need to find something, one transactions for that particular amount, but as we don't have that one, so we can just maybe let's say like this or some other transactions. Then I will click that. So this invoices are done, and now I can like view link transactions, so that will show me all the link transactions. Also I can just do find more transactions if I have to match another one. And now you can see the transaction invoice status is partially paid and partially matched, because we have matched some of the invoices. And now what I can do is transaction not required. Okay, so I can just maybe credit note or something. So you can see now I had defined that for pending amount I don't need a transaction, and now I can set it to paid. Okay, now so that's how it works. I can just now clear transaction not required, so it will ask me like to give the transaction details and those things. Okay, so that's how it works. Let's see about our other batch. So that is currently is in process. Okay, so that's how it works basically. Also, like if we had some sort of transactions of similar dates, or like that should be matching, then Strelevo will automatically match those transactions. Okay, and even link it. Okay, but currently as you see, like we have the transactions of 2024 and the amounts might not be matching, so that's the reason it's not automatically matching. Now we also have a functionality called needs review. So for this particular invoice, Strelevo has some questions. So okay, you can see one suggested transaction for this one, saying 19 euro. So it has a match confidence of 60%, but as it is not confident enough, it haven't directly linked it. Okay, so it is just suggesting, which I can remove as well. Okay, so that's how it is. Then basically those are the things. Then I can even filter based on the batch. So now I am seeing only the invoices of that particular batch. Okay, like this. I can just small the chat proof. Okay, find a match of transaction 52 amount. So maybe if I link more, okay, currently linked. Okay, like this. I haven't clicked done, so that's why it is not linked. Okay, after that, what else we can do is go on transaction and do the same process. Like, okay, you can see this things are being matched. Okay, I had linked that one, so that's why it is showing us linked invoice that I can view even. Okay, so like this. So you can see these are partially matched over here. Okay, this is that. So I can even confirm the transaction. So it's confirmed now. I can even unconfirm and revert, and even I can unlink the invoice. Okay, so all those things work like in this particular way. Okay, so basically that's it. I think we are currently working on the chat history. Okay, and also on dashboard we have some sort of this total payable and those things. So we are currently working on this particular thing. And also we have this chat over here where we can ask anything about our account. So that's also pending currently. Okay, so that's it.